our 3-door stainless steel reach-in freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 80 inches. A depth, we have 32¼ inches. And the overall height with caster wheels, we have 82½ inches tall. Coming to the top will be the power switch along with the temperature controller to operate this freezer. To the center will be the right, middle, and left swing doors for this freezer. Please note that the shelves are not assembled for this video, but will be included for this freezer. Total of 9 shelves will be included and can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. 3 in the left, 3 in the middle, and 3 to the right. Measurements for each shelf will include 23 inches in depth by 24 inches in length. Instruction manual pamphlet will be included for this freezer, along with keys for each of the locks for this freezer. Coming to the left will be the ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this freezer. Interior dimensions for this freezer will include 26 inches in depth, 26 inches in depth counting the back wall towards the front of the partition. Overall height, we have 52 inches is counting from the floor towards the top trim of the freezer. Ceiling fans located on the center back of the freezer along with the drain. Last but not least, this freezer uses a 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.